What's up, guys? All right, so I just got done running my slash and I figured I'd get some video of my Typhon just over here at the local park. Just left work, so thought I'd get some running footage with the Dumbo RC with the gyro system. Haven't actually had any footage of this. This is my second time running this, so be able to show you guys what it's all about. And yeah, like I said, I'm over here at Schabarum Park. Got some open land over here, nothing spectacular, but it'll get the job done. And actually, right across the street, if you can make that out, Twin Pines Mall is right there. That's Macy's right there. And the time travel literally happened right there, right across the street from me. Freaking crazy. Back to the Future, one of the best movies of all time. All right, let's go back to what I was doing over here. So this is, again, the Typhon. Gonna run the Dumbo RC with the gyro completely off to start with, and then I'll turn up to like 50 and then 100 and let you guys see the differences and how it works and everything like that. So let's go ahead and get started. All right, so this is with the gyro completely off. Pretty squirrely, but typical Typhon stuff. Yeah, buddy. See, as you can see, I fishtailed there a little bit, doing my best to keep it in a straight line. And doing just driving bad on purpose, like pinning the throttle at 100% just randomly, you know, stuff like that. So yeah, that's at 0%. Of course, there is no gyro. As you can see there, it ain't moving. So let's go ahead and turn this up to, let's say 50. Right there, it's 50. You can see the wheels counter steering as the buggy moves left and right. So that I can already tell that it's much smoother, keeping in a straight line. Yeah, it's just easier to drive this way. I'm kicking up all kinds of dirt. I feel kind of bad for these people sitting around right here, but hey, I'm driving my RC, man. Making video. That's what's important, right? It does not like counter steer if you're about to flip over. So if you're flipping like this, it's not going to steer right to counteract that. Unfortunately, let's turn it up to 100. And yeah, it doesn't do anything like that. It's literally only on the X axis there. This is at 100, by the way. So I can see that I can't even take a tight turn anymore. It's keeping it straight. Ooh, almost ran into that. It's trying to keep the car straight even while I'm turning, to make sure it doesn't drift or fishtail, and it doesn't turn over either. So this would be actually pretty cool if you're like a noob driver like me and you roll over a lot, you do traction rolls, and you really don't know how to handle a car yet. So this is pretty cool. Again, 100%. It's probably a little bit overkill because like literally you cannot even take a tight turn. This is turned completely to the left side and I can't even take a very tight turn at all, as you can see there. So yeah, I'd say as usual 50% is kind of the sweet spot there. And of course you have your settings here. So I set my my steering dual rate, looks like at about 60%, and that was only because I'm getting 100% before it actually locks up in the car itself. And that's only on one side because of course there is no EPAs on this, or I haven't figured out EPAs just yet, so I have to set the dual rate. So I pretty much have to pin it to one side only, and then I think it's the left that hits first, so the right side I'm not really getting 100% turn, unfortunately. Now you do have your throttle dual rate as well, so this is going to limit the car's speed. So let's set it at 25. And you can see this is completely pinned, so you can see just how slow that goes. And that's gonna go for both forward and reverse as well. Actually, I can't even back up. So the brake is definitely reduced. So it looks like at about 30% I'm getting reverse. For some reason at 25 I was not getting any, but let's go ahead and turn the throttle back to 100 and run around here a little bit longer. I'm gonna turn the gyro back up to 50, down from 100. So I'll just go ahead and do some laps real quick, try to find a little bit of a different spot. So this is a little bit more grassy area on this side. Yeah, that turn is really wide. Oof, it's a rock or something. Yeah, this is nice though, man. And I can tell you right off the bat that the response is definitely really quick action. You can see there as I'm turning the wheel, it's pretty damn quick with that slow ass ADS 7M or whatever it is, stock steering servo. I'm gonna upgrade that pretty soon, get some tighter steering action on my Typhon here. But yeah, guys, this is pretty nice. Got some people coming up. I don't want to hit them, so I'm gonna go over here. Now that range is definitely there. It's hard to tell just how far that is on camera, but that's pretty damn far. First flip of the day, not too bad. Yeah, it's definitely helping with my driving though, I'll tell you that for sure. Now it's pretty cold out here, I mean cold for California, and my finger's a little bit dry right now. And this wheel, it's not too bad actually, even though it's plastic. Like I said, it does have that contour to it, so that does help, but it definitely could use some foam. And I actually did remove this plastic ring on the wheel itself, so you can definitely put some foam on there, and I'll probably do a tutorial on that. I have a couple of foam grip rings, I guess, and I'm going to try them out on this wheel itself. Now this is pretty close to the base of the transmitter itself, and that's just to help so the wheel doesn't flex too much, and that does help. But I'm thinking it might interfere once I put some foam on there. It might touch this and bind it up a little bit, so I'm gonna have to figure something out, maybe add a little bit of glue or something to it to keep it a little bit steadier there. But yeah, all in all, not too bad, especially for a $30 price point. That gyro was definitely helping me out, that's for sure. So yeah, if you saw my unboxing video, I actually purchased this as a set, and the receiver that I got with it was not the gyro version, so I had to buy the gyro receiver separately for about 10 bucks on Banggood. So I do have the regular X6F, and I'll be selling that pretty cheap. So yeah, hit me up in the messages or the comments if you're looking for a receiver, because I'm gonna literally just let that go, probably for shipping only. I don't really want to get any profit from it or anything like that, because it was cheap as it is. Oh, almost took that pole out. Nice little counter steer right there for you. All right, guys, that was a quick run of my Typhon. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys next time. Peace.